Lesson 116 is a quotient rule for square roots. So quotient, we're talking about a division, but also we're talking about denominators. And so one thing you can never have in the denominator is a square root or a zero. And so in this case, we're going to talk about square roots. And so if I have the square root of 5/3, and I put the whole thing under a radical sign, that's the same thing as saying the square root of 5 over the square root of 3. So you can rewrite it just like that, but we can't have a square root in the denominator. So to solve that, what we do is we multiply the top and the bottom by the same thing to eliminate our square root in the denominator. And as you can see, that would be the square root of 9, which is 3. And this would be the square root of 15. And that would be your answer. That's how you rewrite this in an acceptable form. So let's do another one. So if I have 4 plus the square root of 3 over the square root of 2. This is so simple. You just simply multiply the top and the bottom by whatever's on the denominator, and that would make that the square root of 4, which is 2. So basically it becomes just a 2. You get to take away the radical sign. And then this would be 4 plus the square root of 6. And actually I wrote that wrong. So it'd be 4, I'm sorry, I have to multiply this by each of these. So it'd be 4 square root of 2 plus the square root of 6. So you multiply this by each of those pieces and use the distributive property, and this would be your answer. And so you just do the same thing. You have A and B, an example just like that, it was given, and so you will multiply the tops and the bottom by the same radical number, and it will eliminate that on the denominator, and that's all there is to it.